Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things digital marketing. In today's video, we will be talking about search engine optimization or SEO, and how you can improve your website's rankings. SEO is a crucial aspect of digital marketing as it helps you increase the visibility of your website and attract more traffic, ultimately leading to more conversions and sales. Keyword research. The first and foremost step in SEO is keyword research. You need to determine what keywords your target audience is searching for and make sure that your website is optimized for those keywords. Tools such as Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush can help you with keyword research. On-page optimization. Once you have identified your keywords, the next step is to optimize your website's on-page elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. Make sure that your keywords are included in these elements and are not over-optimized, which can result in a penalty from search engines. Content creation. Content is king in SEO. Make sure that your website has high-quality, original and relevant content that provides value to your audience. This will not only keep them engaged but also attract more backlinks, which is another important factor in SEO. Link building. Backlinks from other reputable websites to your site is a major factor in determining your website's ranking. You can attract backlinks by creating high-quality content and reaching out to other websites in your niche to ask for a link. Mobile optimization. With more and more people using their mobile devices to access the internet, it is important that your website is mobile-friendly. A mobile-friendly website will not only provide a better user experience but also improve your website's rankings. Technical SEO. Lastly, you need to take care of your website's technical SEO, which includes elements such as website speed, crawlability, and security. Tools such as Google PageSpeed Insights and Screaming Frog can help you with this. Conclusion. In conclusion, SEO is a long-term strategy and requires time, effort, and patience. By following these SEO strategies, you can improve your website's rankings and attract more organic traffic to your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on digital marketing. Local SEO. If your business has a physical location, it's important to optimize your website for local search as well. This includes claiming your Google My Business listing, creating local listings on directories like Yelp and TripAdvisor, and incorporating local keywords in your content. Social media. Social media can play a big role in increasing your website's visibility. Share your content on social media platforms, engage with your followers, and include links to your website in your posts. Analytics and tracking. Keep track of your website's performance by setting up analytics and tracking. Google Analytics is a great tool for this, and you can use it to monitor your website's traffic, bounce rates, and conversion rates. This will give you valuable insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to make informed decisions about your SEO strategy. Consistency and patience. SEO is a long-term strategy and requires consistency and patience. It may take several months or even a year to see significant results, but it's worth it in the end. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, just keep at it and you'll see the results over time. Stay up to date. SEO is an ever-evolving field, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Subscribe to blogs and industry publications, attend webinars and conferences, and join online communities to stay informed. Hire an SEO expert. If you don't have the time or resources to do SEO yourself, consider hiring an SEO expert. An expert will have the experience, knowledge, and tools to optimize your website effectively, and can help you save time and achieve better results. Conclusion. In conclusion, implementing a comprehensive SEO strategy is essential to improving your website's rankings and attracting more organic traffic. By following these strategies and staying up to date with the latest trends, you can achieve long-term success in your SEO efforts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on digital marketing and SEO.